So today I wrote a song for you, 'cause a day can get so long, and I know it's hard to make it through, and you say there's something wrong. So I'm trying to put it right, 'cause I want to love you with my heart. All this trying has made me tight, and I don't know even where to start. Maybe that's a start.
Šis saucās Kolkas slēptais depozīts. Lūdzu, filmējam, jā.
'Cause you know, it's a simple game that you play, filling up your head with rain. And you know, you were hiding from your
Kopumā izskatās, ka Latvijas depozītu sistēma ir gandrīz vai labāka par Igaunijas.
Es teiktu, noteikti šeit dimanta depozīts.
Hiding your face in your hands, flying so you won't land. You think no one understands. No one understands. So you hunch your shoulders and you shake your head, and your throat is aching, but you swear no one hurts you, nothing could be said anyway. You're not here enough to care. And you're so tired, you don't sleep at night as your heart is trying to keep it quiet, but you think you might disappear before the end. And it's strange that you cannot find any strength to even try to find a voice to speak your mind.
No 2000. gada. Bija tāds vice ragams. Bet tagad mēs runājam, ka 10,000 gadu atpakaļ jūra bija tur, kur noks līteris zilie kalni.
And I see you hiding your face in your hands, talking about faraway lands. You think no one understands. Listen to my hands.
Nu, par godu koncertam gribēju katram pusiņam uzdāvināt vienu disku ar Kolkas vēja dziesmām. Un tur ir speciāli veltības bērniem. Šitais onkuls izstāsta pasaku Kāzas jūrā. Kad jūs redzēsiet arī vienam pusiņam un otram pusiņam.
Still, you are moving too.